The water you and your family use every day can either drain your wallet or protect your wallet. It can either make your family more healthy or put your family at risk. At Angel Water, we have uncovered what others won't tell you. Here at Angel Water, we're going to highlight to you how certified products and licensed plumbers can save you real money and protect your family. Today, we're going to cover three main points. We're going to first discuss shysters or online sales in the water treatment industry. Then two, we're going to talk about what creates value in the water treatment industry. And then lastly, we're going to talk about what is quality water filtration installation, licensed plumbers, all about. Let's get into shysters, online, and the misnomers that are out there. First of all, let's just make it very clear, and we're going to actually go online together today in this computer to sort of bring this together for you, because I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to do your own research. But it's pretty simple. At Angel Water in the 70s and 80s, when this company was formed, we used to be able to buy our products from a distributor who assembled the product with a American-made control valve, sort of like this Fleck valve or this Autotro valve. And they put it inside an American-made tank with American-made resin, and they lasted 15, 20 years. They were fantastic. But then along came 2008 and 9, and everything changed. The manufacturers moved their factories to China in order to hit lower price points. Dealers that are trying to sell you products had to compete with online. So they demanded from these distributors lower and lower and lower prices so that you, the consumer, didn't buy it from some online company. Because when you go online, it looks like, oh my God, this is the greatest thing. It's called the Dominator. It's called the most miraculous water softener on the planet. And so everyone was like buying online. And the reality is dealers started pushing the distributors or OEMs to find lower priced products. So companies like Autotro or Fleck started manufacturing their valves in China. Those distributors would buy tanks from China. By the way, we went through the same pathway. We used these same products in 2008 and 9. And what we found is we got 4 or 5 years of lifespan out of them. Now let's walk into how that actually works, right? Because I don't know, in our market, we have I won't use their real name, John's Water Treatment, and they say factory direct pricing. So, and they got prices that are substantially less than us. Maybe right now you're a customer of ours, or you had one of my employees out and you're evaluating, you had to think about it, and you're trying to understand this value proposition, why maybe something we recommended was higher price than what you can see right now. And what I want to do is just show you very simply, with a little bit of research, you can uncover the same thing. Let's take Autotro, for instance. Here's the Autotro 255 control valve, owned by Pentair. Pentair bought the company Autotro several years ago. This is an Autotro valve right here. They also bought a very popular product line called Fleck. So whichever one they want, when we call a distributor, we say, hey, I need 5 of these units or 4 of these units, or we can buy the control valve from the distributor, and in our garage back here, we can go ahead and take a tank, we can add a distributor to it, and then we can fill it with this filter material called resin, which is designed to take the calcium or the rock out of the water, also known as hardness. And then all we got to do is screw this valve on there, and you got yourself a water softener, and I can call it the most miraculous unit on the planet, and I can sell it to you for $1,000, right? Well, what creates value there? We're going to hope that the resin that we got from China, because it's low priced, is going to work correctly. We found it only lasting a couple years. We can hope this old control valve that's got no diagnosis on there is going to be able to work for you. And we hope that this Chinese tank isn't going to leak on you. And when it comes to real value, I'm uncomfortable with that. I could do that, but is that what you really want? I mean, sure, we're talking $1,500, $2,000 for a water softener installed. Okay, maybe. But again, we're sort of hoping and crossing our fingers and praying to God that it's going to continue to work and it works well. But what I'm wrestling here is 2 things. I want a product that lasts a long time. You don't have to buy one 4 years, 5 years. You don't have this filter material break apart and go through your faucets and clog your aerators and your showers, the valves inside the shower, your dishwasher. I mean, we've been there and done that. Like, we had so many problems that now we're sort of like, are you sure you want to go down that road? We're happy to do that, but are you sure? Because the reality is we're hoping that's the case. And if you go online, you're going to find these all over the place. It's, I get a lot of comments from customers that are like, hey, what about this one or that one or this one? It's basically this. Maybe it's a clack valve made in Windsor, Wisconsin, but screwed on a Chinese tank with Chinese resin. It hit a little higher price point, maybe $2,500. The thing about it is, again, we're back into that point of hoping. Now, I don't like hoping. I like to be sure. I like to be certain that the rock or the hardness attached to this water droplet comes out. I want to make sure that this doesn't leak. I want to make sure that the factory who sells it to you is going to stand behind that, not some distributor that assembled it, not a garage who says it's factory direct pricing. I mean, that's just not it, right? So that's why we may not have recommended you chuck in the truck or, a distributor type of product. We may have recommended something a little bit better for you. Okay, now let's just make sure. I don't want to give everyone a bad name. I know I use the word shyster, but do yourself a favor. Go visit them. If you're going to invest several $1,000s into a piece of equipment, why wouldn't you go visit them? If you come to our facility, we have a 13,000 square foot facility. It's clean. We can assemble it if that's what you really want. And by the way, I don't mean to say Chinese is bad, because certainly there's some great products that come from China. But the one consistent thing I've seen is I haven't found any resin that's made in China that is NSF 44 certified. And again, what I'm looking for is to make your family more healthy too. If I know radium is a predominant problem in the Chicagoland area, why would I want to buy a product that isn't certified to take out that radium? I mean, it's not making sense to me. My passion is not only to protect your pocketbook, but to protect your family and you. I mean, I want to look at you square in the eye and be like, hey, I know I've done the right thing by you. So that's why our typical representatives will not recommend a sticker type of product, even though we can do it. We recommend one that's going to be certified. If you like this video, please press like. If you have comments or stories that you want to share, please put them down in the comment section. We'd love it if you subscribe and or share this video with your friends and family, because the one thing I know is everybody needs good, clean water. Now let's go into the second thing. What creates value when it comes to high quality water filter systems? Now, I'm going to pull this one out. This is made by EcoWater. EcoWater is a Warren Buffett company. And here at this factory that they have in Mississippi, they literally take this unit and manufacture everything head to toe. That way, from the start to the very end, this serial number will let us know exactly the day and time that it was manufactured head to toe. Something goes wrong, they can go back and identify their opportunity as a factory to make sure that they correct things as they move forward. This is an ISO 9000 certified company. What does that mean? To you as a consumer, what it means is that every day they are following the same procedures to assemble and build their products from scratch for you and your family. Now, they pay an independent organization to track their manufacturing process. They write it all down. They document everything so they can find out any little thing that goes wrong. They'll be able to identify and solve it so they don't have the problem moving forward. When we assemble a sticker product, who knows what happened there, right? Here we know that the product is ISO 9000 certified or overseen. On top of that, manufactured from head to toe, basically in America. There are some little computer parts that come from China in there, but overall, the entire unit here is manufactured here in America. It is NSF 44 certified. That means they took the whole unit, sent it to NSF, which is National Sanitation Foundation. You can go to the website. In fact, we'll do that in 2 seconds, nsf.org, and you're going to be able to say, do they actually have a product that they certified? Yes, this is NSF 44 certified. I can use this on EPA cases where the levels of radium are high. That NSF 44 certification gives me the very clear understanding that it's not only going to protect your family because it takes out that radium-228 and 226, but that filter material is going to last you a much longer period of time. That's why this product has a direct 10-year warranty to you. It's huge. It means that the filter material is covered, the valve is covered, almost everything except for wearable parts are covered for you and your family. Now that's a gigantic feature that we appreciate when wanting to pair you up with your need and a product that should be designed to protect in your family and protect in your pocketbook, because we hope to make this a one-time purchase for your home, not a multiple-year purchase every few years. To me, this is how you get your money's worth. Licensed plumbing contractors who know what they're doing when it comes to an install, and certified products. That's how I know you and your family are well served. This is how I know the product's going to last you a long time. This is how I know you will be a lifelong customer of Angel Water, which is really our goal here, is to make your family happy. Now, if you like this video, please share this with your friends and family. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please call us at 847-382-7800. If you've had us out to your house already and are evaluated on it, ask for me. I'm happy to help you out. I'm Andrew Wilson. As you know, I'm super passionate about taking care of you and your family. Also, you can find us on the web at angelwater.com. My name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.